Have you ever told yourself you'd invest in real estate someday? When you had more money? This book is proof that day doesn't have to wait. In just a few simple steps, you will learn exactly how someone bought 3 real rental properties with a total investment of just $2,800. First, understand the creative strategies that make low-money real estate investing actually possible. Next, discover how to find the right deals that work with what you have, not what you wish you had. Then, follow the same path to your first property and let it start building wealth for you. With these tools, picture this. It's 6 months from now. You own a rental property. Every month, picture this. It's 6 months from now. You own a rental property. Every month, a check shows up in your account from a tenant. And it all started with less money than most people spend on a weekend trip. Remember, you don't need a lot of money to start. You just need the right knowledge. Creative real estate investing is a game changer. It creates passive income, equity, and a future you build on purpose. Don't wait. Grab your copy of How I Bought 3 Rentals with $2,800 total investment and start building your portfolio today.